Mechbous. Chicken on rice. A main dish from Kuwait. Serves 2. You will need 23 ingredients. Step 1. Span style equals / font weight, bold semicolon / greater than onion topping / span. Step 2. Stir fry onions until brown. Step 3. Stir in raisins and spices, cook for 1 minute. Step 4. Remove and place in bowl. Span style equals / font weight, bold semicolon / greater than tomato sauce / span. Step 5. In onion topping pan, simmer chopped tomatoes, water, garlic, tomato paste, salt, and pepper until tomatoes are soft. Span style equals / font weight, bold semicolon / greater than main direction. Cut chicken into serving portions, place in pot, add enough water to cover chicken, add spices and bring to boil. Step 7. Reduce heat and simmer until chicken is done. Step 8. Remove chicken retaining broth. Step 9. Chill broth and removed fat. Strain to remove spices. Step 10. Cook 3 cups of rice with broth from the chicken, adding water to make 6 cups of water. Step 11. Dust the chicken with flour and fry the chicken until golden brown. Step 12. When rice is done, spread it on a serving platter, sprinkle the onion mixture over the rice, and place the chicken on top. Step 13. Place the tomato sauce in a side dish, allowing each individual to add the tomato sauce themselves. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.